These Boston lobsters are about to face returning competition in China. A trade breakthrough with Australia last month means Aussie lobsters will be back on the menu after a 4-year ban.
When we heard it, we're very pleased, and particularly after 4 years of being out of the market, when we were relying on 98% of our product going into China. It's been tough, so we're very happy to hear this announcement.
China is Australia's biggest trading partner. The lobster trade was worth more than 700 million Aussie dollars in 2019. But things hit rock bottom in 2020 after calls for an inquiry into the origins of COVID-19. Beijing hit back with trade barriers on a range of commodities.
The owner of this seafood market here in Beijing says he heard the Aussie lobsters are coming back year-end and he's looking forward to their return because, unfortunately for these New Zealanders, the Aussies are more popular and they also pay a higher price.
It's the final major trade obstacle to be removed. There's already been progress on Australian barley, coal, meat and wine, which was hit with duties of up to 218%. Official customs data shows for the first 9 months of the year, China imported about $335 million worth of bottled wine from Australia. Most of that came in after March, once the tariffs were lifted, and that's over 600 times more than the same period last year. But Aussie wine is coming back to a different market.
Over COVID, as consumption downgrading, that's something that they will give up, whereas lobsters have been here for a very long time. The name in Chinese is also synonymous with festivity, so then we also see like everyone still buys lobsters because they're accustomed to it.
It's why wine producers are partnering up with Ding Dong, an online grocery platform which delivers to your door.
Instant delivery is really a channel that's leading the growth of wine consumption these days. You can click on your iPhone and then receive delivery within 30 minutes to get your wine. And we are going to sign a major contract with Ding Dong at CIE.
It'll be one of many deals made in Shanghai this week, where Australia has its biggest delegation in 7 years. No doubt the new visa waiver program is also helping.
Since July, Australians have been able to travel here to China for 15 days visa-free for tourism and business, part of improving ties between the two sides.
Last year, more than 5 million Aussie dollars worth of Memorandum of Understandings were signed at CIE. Exporters like Andrew will be at the event, but he says it's important to stay diversified.
We've probably learned a good lesson with all our eggs in one basket. It's a very risky thing when something like this sort of hits you.
The event runs until Sunday.